Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, the 24-hour temperature cast is going to be very similar today to what we saw yesterday, and that does mean some spots that wait the longest to get some showers can see temperatures climb up over 90 degrees, but not everybody will. And the more showers that we're able to get and the earlier that they start happening, the better chance we have to keep those numbers down. It will be very humid from start to finish, and it's going to start pretty much the same again tomorrow. Although tomorrow it feels like we start to transition a little bit more back to more typical summer-like setups, and that means we have to wait a little longer for the showers to get going. So we'll get a little hotter a little faster over the weekend. Now, the radar picture's got some activity. I see a few sprinkles in parts of Lowndes County, parts of Madison County. Right around Greenville right now, we've got one little downpour. I see a little bit more when you get west of Marianna over towards Chipley over near Defuniak Springs, and that extends up into parts of Alabama up near Enterprise. So we've got some showers this morning, maybe not as many and not as concentrated as we saw in some spots yesterday morning. I do think there'll be more showers that develop, but I think we're also going to have a lot of areas that aren't getting so many showers. It's just going to look and feel like it should be raining, kind of unsettled. And that means we're going to really feel the humidity out there today. There is organized weather across the middle of the country that's never going to make it this far south. So we stay with this very same setup that we had yesterday. And that does mean a good chance for showers, but not all the time. Everybody gets wet kind of rain. Lots of areas that it looks and feels like it should be raining even when it doesn't. It's 78 degrees in Tallahassee. It's 77 in Valdosta. We're at 75 in Thomasville. Dew point numbers 73 and 75. So lots of available moisture. It's what you feel when you step outside. It's why your glasses fog up when you get out there, and we're going to have that all day. Most of the numbers are 75 to 80, and then I see that 82 at Apalachicola. So it's awfully warm out there and muggy. Now, a little breeze from the south or southwest is going to try its best to get things moving. We'll check for fog this morning. I think we're going to find some areas where we have at least some patchy fog. Right now, Perry, one of those spots where the visibility is down below 1 mile. In Live Oak, it's only 2 miles. So we're going to find some spots where there's some fog. Here's what the satellite radar composite screen shows us. You see a couple of showers trying to drift in from south and west and north and east. And I do think that'll be the main direction our showers go today. I also think we'll find some more showers in some more spots. But there's also going to be those big breaks where it takes a couple hours between showers. So if you've got things you're trying to do outdoors, there'll be plenty of time to get it done. You just got to pick your spots again. And really, not a lot changing with the pattern, not for today. So here's Futurecast. We see some showers at times. We see some breaks at times, just like we had yesterday. Plenty of hot, plenty of humid. Tomorrow, as we get into the afternoon hours, now I think we get that sea breeze. We start to get a little better chance for some more of those pop-up showers that'll fizzle out once the sun sets. And I think something similar again on Sunday afternoon. So our weekend keeps the shower chances elevated, but maybe a little bit more afternoon type activity. We'll see if we can squeeze out a few early morning showers over the weekend too to slow down some of those temperatures. It feels like we're going to have to wait a little longer for those showers to get going over the weekend. We've got some energy down here now, a little bit more to the west of Jamaica and a little bit to the east of the Yucatan. We've got two pieces of energy out in the Atlantic. This first one really starting to look a little bit more organized. We'll see if this gets the upgrade with the 8 o'clock information. There's more energy behind it. Not convinced that's going to do very much as it maybe gets swept up with the one ahead of it. But anyway, look at it. The tropics are more awake and more alive. Now, that one in the red circle, up to about a 90% chance for development over the next 7 days, up to an 80% chance over the next 2 days. So I do think that upgrade is coming soon with that one. The one in the Caribbean that's moved towards the Yucatan, still not looking like it's definitely going to increase or develop, but we'll keep our eyes on that one also. So there's things in the tropics that we're watching. Neither or none of the three look like they're going to be players in our forecast anytime soon. Winds on the Gulf today out of the west and southwest 8 to 16, seas like 2 to 4 feet. 70s, 80s, muggy this morning. The rain chance is 60-70%. I think those rain chances stay up this afternoon. On the warm spots, we'll get to the 90s, but not everybody does. The showers fizzle tonight. It stays really, really muggy, and that's going to be the case all weekend. Notice the rain chance is not fizzling out. I think we're going to keep them pretty decent Saturday, Sunday, and into the early part of next week. But also, when we start to get fewer showers earlier in the day, we get hotter temperatures in more areas.